In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in Adobe Express. Blending is a simple way to combine photos so they feel like one cohesive image, perfect for creative posters, thumbnails, and mood boards. We'll walk through the core controls and a few practical tips to make your blend look intentional and polished. Start by bringing your images into the project. Open your canvas, then choose Photos, and select Upload to add the pictures you want to blend. You can drag in more than one image, and they'll appear as separate elements on the canvas, ready to arrange. Higher resolution images will give you more flexibility if you need to scale or crop. Once the images are on the canvas, position them so they overlap. Click and drag each image into place until the areas you want to merge intersect. Think of this like stacking printed photos. What's on top will be most visible, and what's beneath will show through depending on how we blend it. Take a moment to roughly place them where the visual story makes sense. A horizon line, a shared color, or a common subject is a good guide. Next, select the image that sits on top. With it selected, go to Effects and choose Blend. If you prefer a more manual approach, you can also go to Adjust and use Transparency or Opacity. Both routes let you control how the top image interacts with the one below. Now, adjust the opacity, transparency, or blending mode to achieve the look you want. Lowering opacity softens the top image so the bottom one peeks through. Blending modes create more specific interactions. Multiply darkens and helps shadows and texture show through. Screen brightens and is great for light, airy overlays. Overlay boosts contrast and can add drama. Slide slowly and watch the midtones and edges. You're looking for a balance where both images contribute without competing. Finally, fine-tune the position, size, or rotation to make the blend seamless. Use the corner handles to scale and rotate slightly if angles feel off. Small nudges can align features, patterns, or lines so they transition naturally from one image to the other. If you're maintaining proportions, drag from the corners and avoid stretching sideways. Zoom in to check edges and adjust until there's no harsh seam. That's it. Upload, overlap, choose blend or opacity, refine the look, and then polish the alignment. With a few thoughtful tweaks, Adobe Express makes image blending quick, flexible, and visually compelling.